Hey folks, let's do today's CSS battle. Oh, I like this. That's a big H. That's a big H. All right, so what is this shape? How do we form it? How do we make it? What do we need to do to create this shape? And is it simple and straightforward? My thoughts go to my friend, the conic gradient, but is that correct? Maybe not. All right, let's do it in two. Let's do it in two gradients. Okay. And I believe it's going to be conic gradient which is over a little bit, 20 pixels, and at 0 on the y-axis, and then it's going to be some width, maybe it's 200 pixels, and it's going to have a height 200 pixels. And I'm going to do a no repeat. So it starts with the yellow, 50% of yellow, or 180 degrees, and then red, 75%, and then green. That's the basics. So at 20 pixels, so where do I put this? What positioning do I need to put this in the right place? It's 40, 50, 60. There it is. That height can be 100%. We don't need the height. There it is. And then the at can be over a little bit. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I've already spotted where I have this all wrong. All right, that's fun. So I'm wrong. 2, 10, 20. That's not how it repeats. That is disappointingly not how it repeats at all. So let's let it repeat, and I'll just show you the folly of my ways. Okay, so that's folly. Okay. So what's this shape? And can I do it as a repeating conic gradient or not? I think no. So let's do it as a linear gradient. That's green, 50 pixels, and yellow, and coming in from 90 degrees. And it's not 50, but it's 60. All right. That's a little more reasonable. So if I do this as red, then the thing that I need to replace is green. So that means that I can, if I make an element with this shape, then I can get it done, right? So let's make an element that does that. And the question is, what do we need to do that? Background. So we're gonna make this element P, background green. This green color. It's got to have a height, and that height is going to be 300. It's got to have margins, and those margins are what? 0, 60 pixels. Close. So it's got to be minus 6 pixels, minus 8 pixels to get up to the top, and then this is what, 52. All right. All right, so let's make a clip path. This is terrible, but this is how I'm doing it today. 0, 0, and I think we know it's 60 pixels over 0, and then I think we know it's 60 pixels over, and then like 100 pixels down. Maybe it's 120 pixels down. Then 100% over, 120 pixels down, and then 100%, 100%. Don't include an extra percent mark because that will make it invalid. Then this width, 200 pixels, 100%. How about 220? Okay. And then 220 pixels. What's the vertical? 180 pixels. Sure. And then 0, 180 pixels. So I made a zigzag. And you can put text in there. Text in there, YouTube. But you're not going to see all that text because the text isn't going to obey that clip path. It just doesn't do that. You would use other techniques to do that. All right, so this is a goofy solution, but we got it done. And so I'm going to stop there because that's how we do it. So we unit replace and minify and get home and go out. There are so many different better ways to do this puzzle. Go do them. Make videos. I'll watch them, I swear. But today, the brute force of clip path making this weird shape is what I want to do. I don't know how I got fooled into doing a kind of gradient. This is the downside of having a favorite kind of gradient is I think, well, that will solve every problem. But no, it cannot solve every problem, unfortunately. Not a possible thing. Have a great day and make a web page. Make a web page with HTML and CSS. They are there for you to use. A great gift to us all to make our web pages and communicate ourselves. Take care. Bye.